During the pandemic, my mom found out she had breast cancer and she had her breasts removed. Me and her are just alike. We're introverts. We kind of stay to ourselves. We watch the same TV. So it's like, she's literally like my best friend. I had a situation with the property manager. For some reason, I always felt like he had like an issue or a problem with me. By being like kind of the only African Americans in the building, like it was kind of like mom didn't sit well with my mom. So we have tried to contact the owners of the property for over months and months. No response.
Mr. Johnson and his mother allegedly received documents that told them to appear in court at a certain time, but they did not actually receive the documents. So they did not know that they were supposed to appear in court. Because they didn't appear in court, the court entered a default judgment against them.
Then, knock on the door, the sheriffs come by. There's a lockout. Are you guys ready to go? And I told them, no, I'm not. I have nowhere for my mother to go. And I let them know, I let her come in the house, let her see her, that she's not mobile, she's disabled, she's elderly, like, I don't really know where to go from here.
The first time we heard about Greg's case was essentially a referral that came through. It was an emergent referral because there was already a sheriff's lockout. We used the CDC eviction moratorium, citing that there were these health issues that Mrs. Johnson had that essentially put her right in the middle of that protected class, that she should not be evicted during this crazy coronavirus pandemic. People deserve to live someplace safe and secure. The Johnsons are fantastic. Greg is a great, funny, kind guy, and that makes my job easier and more pleasant on a daily basis, but that doesn't mean that someone who is not those things doesn't also deserve a wonderful, safe space to call their own.
To know that there's somebody out there that can give you a voice and just have your back and just give you some transparency on what you can do is just a blessing.